Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn on the bell notification on like a YouTube channel. For instance, I want to enable one over here. So you're just going to click on the notification sort of bell icon, and to enable every new video, you're just going to press all, and that's it. I will get every notification from this channel. So when they post something, I'll get notifications from them. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!